International Conference on Dependable Systems and Networks. The International Conference on Dependable Systems and Networks, or DSN, is an annual conference on topics related to dependable computer systems and reliable networks. It typically features a number of coordinated tracks, including the main paper track, several workshops. It is sponsored by the EE and the IFIP WG 10.4 on dependable computing and fault tolerance. DSN was formed in 2000 by merging the EE International Symposium on Fault-Tolerant Computing (FTCS) and the IFIP International Working Conference on Dependable Computing for Critical Application. The instance number for DSN is taken from FTCS, which was first held in 1980 and annually thereafter. In 2020, the 50th DSN was to be held in Valencia, Spain, and due to the COVID situation, was held virtually. In 2021, the 51st DSN was to be held in Taipei, Taiwan, and due to the COVID situation, was held virtually. In 2022, the 52nd DSN is scheduled to be held in person in Baltimore, Maryland, United States. Awards. The following awards are given at DSN. Best Paper Award. The winner from among 3 nominees is selected through audience voting. William C. Carter, Ph.D. Dissertation Award in Dependability. Rising Star in Dependability Award. Test of Time Award. This recognizes 2 papers published at DSN 10 years ago. Jean-Claude Laprie Award. This recognizes outstanding papers that have significantly influenced the theory and/or practice of dependable computing.